Hi there, Smart Drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about space management. This is video number 15 in the beta series. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Hi there, Smart Drivers. Welcome back. Talking to you today about space management, one of the 4 vital components in passing a road test, regardless of class, regardless of where you are in the world. The 4 components of a road test are speed management, space management, observation, and communication. I'm talking to you today about space management. Now, if you're new to Smart Drive Test helps new drivers get a license, veteran drivers remain crash-free, and CDL drivers to start a career as a truck or bus driver. So if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. As well, hit that bell. That way you'll get instant notification when I get the videos up for you. Space management, like speed management, everything in social driving tells you that you need to be closer to other vehicles, other fixed objects, and other road users than what you should be for the purposes of the road test. If you follow the example of all other drivers on the roadway, you are not going to be successful on a road test. First thing you need to do when you stop behind other traffic at traffic lights and intersections, you need to be able to see the tires of the vehicle in front of you making clear contact with the pavement. That leaves about 1 vehicle length between you and the vehicle in front of you, and that is an absolute for a road test, that you have to have that space between you and other vehicles. When you stop at intersections, you either need to stop at the stop line, before the crosswalk line, if there's no crosswalk line, the sidewalk, or you have to stop at the edge of where the 2 roads meet if it's a stop sign intersection. So that's where you need to stop. And then finally, the other component of space management is your following distance has to be 2 to 3 seconds in a passenger vehicle. If you get into bigger vehicles, it needs to be more than that. Now, how you determine 2 to 3 seconds in a passenger vehicle is you're following the vehicle in front. The vehicle in front goes past a fixed object. When that vehicle goes past a fixed object, you start counting 1 watermelon, 2 watermelon, 3 watermelon. When you get to 2 watermelons, you should be going past that fixed object. That means that you're following at 2-second following distance. And the reason that we measure in time is because time is relative. And the faster you go, the greater that distance increases. And that's the reason for measuring following distance in time. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. For another great video, click here. Subscribe, click here. Good luck in your road test. And remember, picked up the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.